Wait a second, you don't have a bed, do you? Did you tell me you didn't have sex in my bed, Brooke?
I'm already washing your sheets.
Oh my God. Oh, Brooke. Oh.
They already yelled at me. What is the big deal?
Big deal. That, first of all, you did not thank me for helping you with the CDs. Second of all, you had sex in my bed. And third, you ate all the brownies.
Actually, I had a couple.
That's not the point.
Haley's right. The point is that I've been deceptive. It's not so much that I lied to anyone's face. It's more about what I didn't say.
Oh, okay. There is a big difference between a lie and a little white lie.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, wait, what white lie?
Nothing.
Haley lied to Nathan.
Not exactly.
Yes, you did.
About what?
Nothing.
Haley.
You know what? If we're talking about bad behavior, you might want to sit this one out.
What is that supposed to mean?
It's supposed to mean that Peyton's the one you should be looking at, not me.
Why? She's not the one acting like a perfect little Stepford wife.
Why are you picking on Haley? She's throwing us a slumber party.
Actually, she was throwing us a slumber party. You just butted in.
Brooke, leave her alone!
What?
What are you gonna do, snort her? Listen, I didn't throw this slumber party for you. You threw it for yourself, and you know it!
Well, at least I didn't lie to my husband about hanging out with Chris.
Whoa!
Brooke.
Well, Peyton did cocaine with that Rick guy.
Haley! What?
You had sex in her bed! Okay.
What is wrong with you? Crack whore!
Slut!
Liar!